think we're recording. Let me set up this before we dip. We got her going. Today we're going to Devil's Milhopper. It's like this little... what's it called? I think it's like a sinkhole. It's actually pretty fucking cool. I've been there once before. Like a 30-minute ride. It's not too far. It is quite chilly, so I should probably buckle up my jacket. And we are geared up today. Double pants, triple upper layer thing. Jacket not cooperating. There you go. And yeah, so should be a nice ride. I think it'll take us through campus a little bit, so we'll see that. We're going out in rush hour, so it's going to be a little bit cooked. But hey, I needed to get out and do some riding today. So we're going for it. Let's not die too quickly. And yeah, I hope the camera's good. I hope this camera doesn't fall off. I think we'll be alright though. Let's hope we don't get too many stupid drivers today. But hey, as long as there's cars on the road, there's stupid drivers on the road, so can't ask for too much. I gotta put music on. What am I doing? I'm so not locked. Hit it with some Somber. Somber's been hitting hard, man. I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me, but the glimmer in your eyes is saying you wanna leave. Okay, I'm driving by the class that I skipped today, so let's hope there's nobody still in there. Right over there. I think we're chilling. The other day, oh my lord, I'm telling you, don't do it, man. The other day, I was stopped right here on the left, like at the stop sign. You take a left, and it's pretty much like you ride back to campus. The other day, I skipped class. I know, terrible move. And I went to ride right as class was ending, about the same time. And holy shit, I kid you not, people in my group from that class pull up at the stoplight. Like, fuck, don't look at me, no eye contact. Then you're gonna slow down, and then everybody's gonna slow down, and then the light's gonna catch us. Well, that's rush hour for you. Oh, you see, I was gonna cut in right there. Oh, would have died, bro. Is this like smudged up? Oh, that thing is dusty on the inside of the lens. What a W. Oh, biker? Is that a brother? That looks like a brother. Classic without a helmet on. Or one of those little bicycle helmets. Here, I'm gonna put you on some shit. Damiano David. You guys already fucking know. That shit. Holy. New album, absolute banger. I'm a new man on the highway, running faster than a Mustang. Voters now the ahead, and I'm holding the gun. Oh, your poisonous self has poisoned my blood. You suck on my tongue like cinnamon. Why are we breaking? Ladies and gentlemen, that's why you invest in a motorcycle. It is a time investment. Saves you time, saves you money and gas. Well, I don't know about that one, but... and fucking hell, it's fun. I think this goes all the way. She keeps me alive. Then you just hope this guy is not gonna fucking eat your ass, and then you're chilling. And I think there's nobody there. Look at that. I can't see jack shit. You don't need to see jack shit though. It's not another road. I don't remember taking this way last time I came here. I'm not gonna lie to you. Is that a police? Yep, that's a police. That's a double police. If you see a third one, you gotta turn around. Head back home. I saw that video recently. Oh, you're gonna be a G? Oh, what a G. Thank you. Let's not die, let's not die, let's not die. Oh. Well, that's why you keep the eyes on the road, boys and girls. Now we're pulling up already. Y'all saw that fucking little pothole right there? That'll kill ya. That'll kill ya. It's getting harder to stay. All these voices, they gonna find me wherever This is not where I'm supposed to be going. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Florida. Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call? I'm gonna call the police. If you know where that's from, clown me in the comments. Oh, we got an ER right there, so if we die... There it is! There it is! Where is it, though? I think it's where this car is. Oh. When does the sun set? I'm kind of cutting it a little close. Okay, I'm pretty sure if I take these turns way too fast, I die. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to catch any of these little pine needles or whatever they're called. No drones. Darn. Darn. Alright. Time to take off 20 pounds of gear off. I think this is exactly where I parked last time. We made it. We made it. Alright, well, there we are. All set up. Gear all off. Let's hope they don't steal my helmet and shit. First animal spotted. That's the sinkhole. It came from, I don't even know if you can see where he came from, but you get the idea. Yo, why is there like old people doing those stairs, doing laps? I went up and down once. I'm 20 years old, supposed to be in my prime, and I'm gassed. Fuck, dude. Gotta lock in on my cardio. Master videographer, bro. Hire me, Hollywood. No gear was stolen. Pretty W. And yeah, honest review of the place, pretty darn nice. It is packed most of the time. Like, even last time I was here, there was a decent amount of people. Today, there was a lot more people. Even though it's Thursday. Not a lot of wildlife. Apart from, I just saw like 3 squirrels. That's the third one right there. But a really nice walk. The sinkhole's pretty fucking cool, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, I would recommend it. But there are nicer spots. Rising up, back on the streets. Did my time, took my chances. Went the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and his will to survive. It's the Alright, Youngblood for the way back. You already know. If you don't know, you're missing out. Lock in. I haven't heard a lot of his stuff. I Was Made for Loving You, his cover, phenomenal. Zombie, great song. He did a song with MGK, which is also pretty good. But yeah, let's get to it. Brother! And a popo! Dude, we've seen so many police today. God damn. Oh. This camera pissing me off a little bit. Just a little bit. It's windy. This is the song I was telling y'all about. Take a good thing and fuck it all up in one night. Gotta leave you one more time. Let's go, go, go! I really gotta get that new pipe. Well, I gotta go get food. So I think we're just heading home. But damn, pretty nice ride, honestly. And hell of a place. Again, I'm not gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because too many people and not a lot of wildlife. The 2 times I've gone there, it's a 7. It's a 7 because it's pretty darn fucking cool. Devil's Milhopper, Geological, nature something, and it's finally starting to cool down. So the rides are gonna be getting nicer and nicer. We already know. Appreciate y'all for watching. And well, y'all should be hearing a lot more from me in the coming weeks. So, if you like this type of content, chill rides, chill places, y'all already know. Leave a like and subscribe.